Good afternoon. I'm Drew at Bay Diagnostic. We have a 2015 Mini Cooper that has come in for a check engine light. As per our diagnostic process, we found a random multiple misfire code that has to do with the check engine light. Our suggestion to the customer was to replace all 4 spark plugs and all 4 coils. Retest after that and see if that fixes the car correctly. Over here, we've got 4 coils that were in the vehicle already. One of them is a mismatched coil, so it may not even be correct for the vehicle. So here we have 4 new spark plugs and 4 new coils that we're going to be putting in the car before we retest the system. Clear the codes, test drive it, make sure everything is good for the customer. That way they are completely satisfied with our repair. If you have any questions about our diagnostic procedure, please look up baydiagnostic.com.